Hey there, everybody. This is Wendy. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm just showing my hands on my projects today because I don't have any makeup on. Isn't that hysterical? Like, I don't want to show my face. So, I haven't gotten that far in my day yet. I've been very busy doing fun stuff, and I just wanted to show you these cards and talk about them just a little bit. And I wanted to show off this new bundle. So this is a new bundle that is going to be available on June 1st. As you know, I've been going live every single day since Monday, and I'll be continuing to do that all the way through June 1st. Every day is something a little different. I really don't have any major plans for what I'm showing, except that I really wanted to show you all of the awesome new products. So I thought that I would do that today. So if you've been with me, you know I'm suffering a lot from allergies, and that hasn't gone away. Things are still blooming here. There's still pollen on everything. So just bear with me if I cough or if I sound a little raspy or, you know, icky. Sorry. I figure it's better to just go forward and do the videos than it is to not do them for that one reason. Okay, so these cards are going to be featured on my blog tomorrow. These cards are featuring the brand new Varied Vases bundle, and I'm going to show that to you. That's this bundle of products here. So it's a punch that coordinates with these awesome little vases and sayings. So I thought I would just show you these because they're actually quite a bit bigger than they are on the front of the box. So they're really cute. You can tell I've already been using them, and I just love them. So my favorite thing about this is that my sweet friend Mary Fish designed this stamp set, and I just love Mary Fish. She's with Stampin' Pretty, and she is such a sweet, kind, loving person, and this stamp set just so reminds me of her. First of all, a tulip is her kind of logo, and this stamp set just screams Mary Fish because she is elegant and petite, and like the very like clean and simple lines, that just is very much who Mary is. And so I just love this set because I feel like it just speaks volumes to who she is. So this was her $1 million set that she designed. And then these were the cards that I created. Now tomorrow on my blog, I have a post showing you how I came up with the color scheme for these cards. But this is the new gray granite cardstock, and this is the new seafoam cardstock. And I have to tell you that I've tried and tried and tried to get really good pictures of these cards, and I can't seem to get great pictures because of, I think, the white and the light seafoam. But these flowers here are stamped with the seafoam, and then I cut them out. So in person, these cards are very, very pretty. I feel like the photos just don't do them justice. And then this one is really fun with the different pieces, and then the little tag here that sticks out with the hello. Okay, so these are the cards. I'm actually not going to craft today because I have some giveaways. So the way my giveaways are going to work throughout this next couple of weeks is I'm not choosing winners for the giveaways until June 1st. And on June 1st, I'm going to do a live event, and I'm going to announce all the winners from the giveaways over the last 2 weeks. So you have an opportunity to comment on every single live video I do and share every single live video I do to get entered to win the giveaways. So today's giveaways, and I've been marking them down. I've got a lemon lime twist roll of ribbon here. This is, I think this is 5/8 inch, half inch ribbon, 10 yards. I've got some Night of Navy crinkle ribbon, which is really pretty. That's a second giveaway. I've got some more lemon lime twist striped ribbon. That's another giveaway. I've got 3 packs of this gorgeous designer series paper that is exclusive. This was from Celebration, and you can no longer purchase it or get it or anything. So this is kind of just a little exclusive sampler that you could use to make some really cute cards. So I've got 3 of those, but here's the doozy. I'm giving away, are you ready? One of these collapsible trash bags. So these are awesome for events. These are so much fun to take to a crop or a retreat with yourself where you're going and setting up, and you can have your own little trash bin. It's got this great little bungee piece that you could hook onto something, and it flattens completely down, and then you just slide the bungee part over the top and it holds it nice and flat and in place, and it's done. How awesome is that? So this is one of the giveaways that will be announced on June 1st. So like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and you'll be entered to win this. So for today, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 different opportunities to win some fun prizes. So comment, share, and go back and do that on the other videos. And like my Facebook page. Make sure you're liking my Facebook page and invite others to like my Facebook page as well. So that's it for today. Today is a little quick fun video. If you're watching this on YouTube, you are more than welcome to enter to win the giveaways, but you need to go to my Facebook page to do that. I'm on Facebook at Lovin' Stampin'. So if you go to facebook.com/Lovin' Stampin', you will find my Facebook page, or you can just go to Facebook and search Lovin' Stampin', and that is spelled L-U-V-I-N. So this video is actually going to be uploaded to YouTube tomorrow, and I want anybody that's on YouTube to be able to play along and be entered to win these items. So you want to make sure that you join me on Facebook by commenting and liking the videos as well. If you don't have a Facebook page, then you can comment on my YouTube and I will be fine with that. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Didn't even get to see who is popping in to visit me here. Let's see. Oh my goodness, we've got Pam, Karen, Denise, lots of friends popping in to say hi. Tammy, Shannon, Kathy. So thank you all so much for tuning in. If you're watching on the replay, you can still share this and get the info out there. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.